So, in this video, we'll be doing a fingerprint speed test between two different phone models. The one on the right is Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro 5G, and it has its fingerprint scanner located right here. And this one is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11S, and it has its fingerprint scanner located right here. But I'm gonna place it upside down just to make it easier to unlock. So let's go to the testing. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.